Díríomh cáirde so seo ceacht eile ar cogadh na naimléana, so nuair a cruicnímuid an sin le PJ darmuid ar cap béalna ha buí, agus ag an foiinte seo bhí an bu aigna na géal agus bhí muid an HY agus bhí an cumar an scéal go mé an bu a gin in sa cogadh seo. Inniu bhhaid arcímuid ar cap eile coppla blion hon tosaí, so bhí cap béalna ha buí chuideag nó a hacht, Tá muid bugí hon tosaí go dtí sé agus a héan. Bunne Cath Chionn taile, agus arcímuid ar Cath Chionn taile nu agus bhíhearú an ceachta bheith tuiscint níos fargad ar an cath seo. So today, parents, we are looking at the Battle of Kinsale. So where we left off with PJ, we had just looked at the Battle of Yellowford, and in that lesson, it was apparent that the Irish had won a major victory, and it was looking like the Irish would win the war. But we're going to fast forward a few years later to the Battle of Kinsale to 1601. And we are looking at a big defeat today in the Battle of Kinsale. So today we're going to look at why that happened, okay, and also the fact that the Irish actually outnumbered the English at the time. So we're going to look at why exactly the Irish lost at the Battle of Kinsale. So below is a list of what the students will actually do in this lesson. So first of all, they will read about the newly appointed English commander, Mountjoy, because as we know with the Battle of Yellowford, that Henry Bagnall, the previous commander, was actually shot dead. So we'll look at this new commander called Mountjoy and how effective he was as a military commander. They will summarise this information in a spider diagram. Students will then watch a 4-minute video about the Battle of Kinsale. We will then study the Battle of Kinsale in depth and look at the 5 reasons why the Irish were defeated, despite outnumbering the English at the time. Students will compose then will compose a TikTok or a small video explaining why the Irish were defeated, and I'll explain that more in depth. If they don't have TikTok, they can do a small video. What they're going to do is they're going to summarize the 5 reasons why the Irish were defeated in like a freeze frame or a small tableau. Now, the best video in the year group will receive a £10 voucher of their choice. They can choose between either Game or Amazon. So, Arash Haig, tSa ceachta, okay, agus mar dúirt mé an céad rud a arcímuidir ná farseo Mountjoy, okay? So, sa bhliain séide céad chur éilís bí éilís mar bhainring na Breataine ag gnám, chur sí saidir crua dar bhaine Mountjoy an seo ag gceannas ar an arm in Éireann. Okay, so sean ceannar nua a bhéle trid a néan na géal. So bhí sé ní trid a néan í ónéal agus í ódóná. Ordiú do ónéal agus na tíisi eile olú a scrisú agus mún a Irish. Okay, so sin na hordíthe a thug éilís dó. Agus bhí policy iontaach éifeachtach ag Mountjoy dar bhainem rua luisce, okay? Now rua, okay, tá sort leid in san ocail sin, okay, tá rua áiriste nó dearg agus léironn sin tine, okay? So an policy a bhí ag seo rua luisce na gáid sé bara na níl agus warí sé gach géal a tháinig sé air. So dóis nach méris in an Markdal, the Lynn and Gevry. So be an area where we should jani na occur na bara tree henna barish in the rudia as in the gale. So curshit in the parkney tree henna. So gamel in the gale fag can bia not jockala bia a her file de arm eoniel august na sidry a be a tridlet be she gear and seal anu into crew in the gale. So nak dorhid shit taki after be the eoniel august gum rushid sheed spurt in the nini. Fui hairún na bliana sé dégus a héan, hí seaú inéal iontaach lag agus níú sé abalta díleal na Mountjoy. So ag an fointe seo sé dégus a héan tá ó inéal a bhád níos leige na mar bhí sé ag capbéal na habui, tá an gebrú alt ag an am seo chudhar snachta níl mór an bia an de sidrí sige níl tá Mountjoy ag chur chudhar brú ar. Okay, so ag an fointe seo tá na tabli sort ag chantu tá ahrú ag teacht ar an scéal. So mar tá mé géir bhíanú ná tá mé géir ar cúig fointe a maithe seo an seo a scríb an seo ar léireid dónála. Okay, so cúig fointe ar bhainte bh macfadúd éonial, so cap éilís bhí sé gceannas ar arm na Breataine, bhí policy rua luisce aige, céalaonn rua luisce gur chur sé na barí trí henna agus is sé agus a héan bhí sé inné í ónéal a sort a dhéanú a bhaid níos lige. Okay? So cúig foiinte mar ach cumra ar na pointe sin a lémuid má tá si bhíar an é an seástad. Agus dul siar dhéanú ar méid dúirt mé deannaí sin. Ag bogú ré, okay, a níis an darnamú dúirt na tamidir gachar ísean seo físean ba cearhmuid i Merla agus Janet seo chur síos ar Cath Chionn.
Cast as the Irish David fighting an English Goliath, O'Neill asked King Philip of Spain for help. The Spanish could see the value in tying down a large English force in Ireland. But Philip would prove a cautious ally. He instructed his secretary to see what is the very smallest aid that will be needed. If it be so small that we can give it, we will help them. On the morning of September 21st, 1601, a Spanish fleet of 33 ships carrying 4,500 soldiers appeared here off the coast of Cork.
So near Flameid seo, okay, ach hui O'Neill agus fuair sé codú ó Ré na Spáine ag an am seo, tá Spáin ina tír Catholic mar atá éire, bhí an Spáin ag tragedy na Sasna an fointe seo, so bra sasa takeíocht a chur ar fáil de O'Neill. So hannig si a dír an urchin sidri le takeúil O'Neill le trid in Éden Mountjoy.
Bearing down on the town of Kinsale. But from the beginning, the expedition was dogged by bad luck. The army they'd come to meet was waiting far to the north in Ulster. The Spanish had landed in the wrong part of Ireland. As the forces of the English Lord Mountjoy massed at Kinsale, O'Neill and O'Donnell made an epic march through the Irish winter. The English had by now massed around 6,000 troops at Kinsale. They besieged the Spanish and waited months in horrendous conditions for the Irish to arrive. The phrase turning point is one that swirls promiscuously through Irish history, usually summoned up by one side or the other to make a political point. But Irish and English, Catholic and Protestant, all agree that what happens here at Kinsale will alter the balance of power in Ireland forever. By dawn on Christmas Eve, 1601, the two sides are ready for battle. The Spanish and Irish have amassed a force of 9,500 men against an English army weakened by disease to around 6,000. Hardened by relentless war, the Irish are tough fighters.
But when he sees the Irish, the English commander Mountjoy says the kingdom is lost. The gravity of the situation is very clear to him. He realises that defeat beckons unless some almost a miracle can happen.
But O'Donnell, who'd marched separately from O'Neill, became lost and failed to make his rendezvous. According to the Spanish, there was a catalogue of tactical blunders. O'Donnell alerted the English with a loud call to arms. In the confusion, O'Neill left his hilltop position and went to open ground where his men were more vulnerable. On seeing the hill unoccupied, a Spanish witness said, "The enemy closed up onto it. He grasped his opportunity." The English cavalry now charged downhill at O'Neill's men.
The Irish were fighting in open ground against English cavalry that had the run of the field. The Irish had never really been in that situation before. But what it essentially comes down to at the end of the day is that the English had stirrups. The fact that the English soldiers had stirrups meant that they could drive home a charge with a lance because a stirrup takes the shock. You don't get knocked off the back of the horse. Whereas Irish had shorter horses, they carried their lances over arm, but although it gave them extra manoeuvrability, it meant that they couldn't charge another body of horse.
So the fate of Ireland hung on a stirrup?
More or less, yes.
According to the Spanish eyewitness, 800 men were killed in the rout. Most of the Irish survivors made for Ulster, while the Spanish sailed home.
So, mar a thola sibh an sin, okay? Ní míle cúig céad Éireannach agus Spáineach a níodan 6,000 Sasanach, okay? Ní míle, a bhag nóir 8,000 a níodan 6,000. So, tá sé just dá creid sin nar wein na gíal ag an Cath seo. Agus tá sé simúil in sa gáid is dúirt sé sin bin na stirrups an dóigh chun technoliaach de seach ar star, an nuair tá technoliaach nua ó hí techtaí míleide, so bhí an stirrup an písa ina chun tú de chus ar an chapel, bhí sin mar chuir sin isteach ar bhuail na gíal agus chuir sé le go leith na chat na níl agus chuir sé le bua na Sasannaí. Now, tá fé sin eile agam David seo agus ceanglóí mé é leis an tSa go classroom agus seo oberhínse de ginnar bí ar bhaile tiú ális fuúda cin taile heglah arc ar an éisian sin bé sin na codú fásta. So, an príomh ban seo, Hannig na Spáinní, agus dúirt muid, okay, Hannig na Spáinní mar chur íoníal ceistarthú, okay, an jocaléis, an jocalá coduléis, agus bhí sé sin bras as sin anú, mar dúirt mé tír catsagach a bhíon, bhí éan an tír catsagach, bhí an Spáin ag gúnaí ag tréid le Cessna ag an am seo, bhí mar hapla an armáid na Spáine, the Spanish Armada, hart ag an am seo fásta, so bhí sé sin bras asta codú le íoníal tréid léad na Sasannaí. Ach, tagan siad heag an taobh consulta den tír. Tá sin seo ag fear-one na tíra, cabal íoníal, tá íoníal ag bar na tíra, tá na Sasannaí i lár na tíra hart ar an fáil, agus caihí íoníal siúil le saidrí saige i lár gabhrí, nuair nach go mórn bia sa tír cabéirbí, cai sé siúil ó bar na tíra go dtí bon na tíra. Agus tá go dé Harlíonn, well tá am ag na Sasannaí can taile haint ma a se bhil na Spáinní agus tá si géirí a tá stabal de aithniú chunaid, tá stabal na Spáinní hempelú, agus an sin tanna géal scrista tá siad sin thuirse. But ní sin an taon fas, sin an céad fa, bhí na géal thuirseach tríachta ag an túil fada géabhrí tuisgur Hannig na Spáinní i ddír ag an tíomh mí ceart Hannig na Spáinní i ddír a Gorcaí, agus bhí íoníal chus ag bar na tíra. Bhí arthú siúil go dtí bon na tíra, ní ró on carna ar bí an, ní ró agus ghlac seo méana, níl muid ceint ar seachtaine, tá muid ceint ar méana ag siúil a lár gabhrí, níl éon bugta sí mór acu, tá siad ag fáil brein daoine buas le hochras ar an bailach, tá daoine thuirseach tríachta ochrach, so sin ceann duna fána ar hep ar na géal ag ceann taile. And darna fa na ní ro alles ar bí acu ar an ceantar, okay? And cefanlacht ag capel na habui, bhí sin díreach a necail le caisleán í ónéal, bhí a fear aithne ag ar an ceantar, bhí ag carón talú ard, carón talú isiil, but ní ro clú da lead acu fa chorcaí, agus O'Donnell sin an darna ceanar a mór a bhí ag na géalaigh an am, díir sé sin cailte mar a bhí le fecail in san Ishan. So, ní ro clúach uf an cantar. Ever a trade na, near Erie law plan no co-flan a obreach leis na Spáinní solar onsiúid. So, ta plan in ta tauta nur hen tú he clay hapela, being plan of re okay be, Johnny tossa shin, agus rahi tossa hagan talu ard, be shin in the tauta a gat, chagan to the gills you're too right, heg left a gull or do, so shin rahi na Spáinní and shin be na gil abot in a capel usai, jogus be na gil abot the gull hagan sliu shin, no vanu bar crack, no bona crack, Nero plan on mar near Will shit le céile rih an Cath mar Hannig na Spáinní i ddír ag an aid mí ceart. Ever a cethir na bhí Mountjoy haar bar mar cheanara, besaidir den céad scoil Mountjoy, bhí sé aonta ólach ar tacticí míleata, bhí sé aonta mai ag buint tarfa at ligi a naide, so bí is ag caró ionial lag, agus bhí sé abal de bonteiste a winch a sin. So bhí ba ceanad an scoil Mountjoy, agus ever cuaig bhí mark chlua na Sassenach. Mark chlua sin ag trid ar chapel, okay? No cavalry i Merle, mark chlua na Sassenach in an sidery cosisiad na níl a scrisu, mar níú na gíal in an líhan a hocrú an tam seo. So bhí níos mó mark chlua ag na Sassani, sidery trid ar capel le stirrups, agus bhí na gíal ar an costan codjas mó, níú siad abal de líhan a hocrú mar rin siad capel na haboi. So sin na cuaig fan sin, agus seo I brise síos go fíorhainach. Ever híon, bí tuirse ar na gíal, mar hiúil siad ó bar na tíre go bud na tíre. Ever dá, ní ro aithne acu ar an cantar, okay? Ní ro churamach acu ar an cantar, the codjas mód ní ro siad riú ag orcaí. Ever trí, ní arna sé plán leis na Spáinní rih an cha, mar níor bhfuil siad le céile rih an cha. Ever cethir ba haidir iontach Mountjoy, bhí Mountjoy iontach mai ag tridge. Agus ever cuaig bhí mark chlua níos fearr ag na Sassani. Mark chlua sin sidery ag trid ar chapel. So sin an cuaig fa an seo. So anis, an prío has a tala Johnny agah. Ba bhhailm gan Johnny sib TikTok star, okay? So tá an TikTok star ag míniu an cuaig fa ar hapar na gíal ag Cath Chionn taile. So ba bhhailm lipidí mar seo echo, so seo na sort lipidí tá náide ar TikTok, so ba bhhailm sa na fa na seo a echo in na lipidí, okay? Ba bhhailm go méid siar nos drama bug, híon nó dá second ar gach fa, agus ag míniu céim fa ar hapar na gíal. So ag míniu an cuaig fa seo tríd dramaach, so tríd frama roiche, tríd, ag tableau, no drama bug. Muna bhfuil TikTok agad, muna bhfuil an option agad, nabí bura heagla just tú híon a hafaru, okay? So jar aber seo fa ever híon, aber an fa, and then Jan and drama bug, seo fa ever dot, nor germ drama, ta make into drama, in o dot 3 second. So nabí bura muna bhfuil TikTok agad, heagla anu just 3 gra fishan. Agus mardirt me be brontanas on done TikTok no fishan far sa blion grúpa, agus sin J bunt fáinne game no Amazon. So ma te ceisnar bí agah lewardal chur ceisnar an stream, go shear seo rewind ar an fishan muna bhfuil rud ag an sillar, okay? Seo an buntaise le ceachtain a réo hafara, heagla the chuid amagacu, heagla gol shear, heagla éisteach the réis, agus chur near ceisnar ar an stream. Gníir leva cardja.